Say da-da.
This one.
Da. Say da-da. Oh, he's a wrecker. He's wrecking things over there. He doesn't know what, as long as he's wrecking. Are you wrecking things? Martin building and Roy wrecking.
I'm gonna eat that one, baby.
Why don't you get a different one that's like that, or is there not any?
I guess I'll just get one of these.
Thank you for letting you have that. How are you feeling, Mark?
Second.
Good.
Feeling okay? Roy, what are you doing? Just walk around. Wow. We'll never forget this tower. We'll have it on video. When you're 18, we can watch this.
Yeah, 19, he'll be going, oh, Mom.
That's pretty cool.
I think we'll have to stand up to build this. It's so tall.
Wow.
Those are me and you balloon. Our anniversary.
Wow, Mark.
Wow.
Wow.
That is really cool. Good job. Who's underfoot?
Oh.
Who's gonna unplug me? Who's gonna unplug me? Okay, bye-bye, Roy. Wave bye-bye. On camera.
Hey.
Okay, thank you. You say mama? Do you say mama before you go? Not usually. Well, there, I use this. But I think from now on, I'm going to take some videos on my regular camera so I can make a DVD for my mom. Maybe for her birthday in a couple months.
Oh, there you go. Whoa, down it goes.
Oh dear. Okay, do you want to